I made all of this. The character grids, style variations, upscale product shots, and a promotional video in one sitting on one canvas. No Midjourney, no comfy UI, no Photoshop, no switching between 6 different tabs, praying my character stays consistent. 6 months ago, my AI workflow was an absolute mess. Let me show you what changed. Here's what my workflow used to look like, and I know this is going to sound familiar. I generate an image in Gemini or Midjourney, download it, open Photoshop to edit it, upload it to a different tool to upscale, then open another tool to turn it into a video. Then go back to Midjourney for the next shot, try to match the face, which never matched. 5 tools, 5 logins, 5 different interfaces, and half my time wasn't creating. It was downloading, uploading, reprompting, and hoping things would look consistent. If you're an AI artist, a content creator, or you're trying to make a short film with AI, you felt this. Tools are incredible individually, but together it's chaos. There's no thread connecting your work. So I built something different. It's called Vilva, and it's a visual canvas where everything connects. Here's what my workflow looks like now. I start with a prompt, I generate a character grid, 4 different characters from one prompt, I pick the one I like, I generate style variations, same character in a gym, in the city, at home, in a park, all from the same reference. So the face stays consistent and I upscale. Then I generate a video, 9:16 ready for Reels or TikTok. And the AI actually gives us a coherent monologue. We're way past the weird hands era. But the part that really changed things for me, everything is connected on the canvas. I can see my prompt, the grid it generated, the character I extracted, the variations I explored, and the final video, all in one view. No scattered files, no where did I save that generation, just one infinite canvas. If I need 10 options, batch generate. 6 variations, spawn as branches, pick the best, delete the rest. Your canvas is your own creative law. If you're creating an AI art, building a faceless YouTube channel, making short films, or just exploring what's possible, the bottleneck isn't AI anymore. The AI is incredible. The bottleneck is the workflow. The people who are going to win in this space aren't the ones with the best single prompts. They are the ones with the best system, a system where ideas connect, iterations build on each other, and your creative process has a visual memory. That's what this canvas gives you. Vilva is free to try, 500 credits on sign up. Link in the description. If this was useful, I'm going to be breaking down specific workflows, character consistency, AI short films, batch product shoots in upcoming videos. Subscribe and like and comment so you don't miss those. See you.